Imagine a world where Earth tilts 90 degrees, placing the north and south poles at the equator, and turning the equatorial zones into new polar regions. This drastic shift in Earth's axis would have profound consequences on the climate, ecosystems, and human life. But what exactly would these changes be, and how would they influence our daily lives? Let's find out together on this journey through a radically transformed planet. Earth's rotation is crucial for determining weather patterns and seasons. Currently, the Earth's axis is tilted at about 23.5 degrees, allowing for a relatively even distribution of sunlight between the northern and southern hemispheres. But what would happen if the axis were tilted 90 degrees? In this hypothetical scenario, Earth would face extreme and unpredictable climate conditions. With a 90-degree tilt, the current equatorial regions would become the new poles, experiencing freezing temperatures and conditions similar to the Arctic. In contrast, the current polar zones would be located at the equator, exposed to intense solar radiation and scorching temperatures. This thermal redistribution would cause the polar ice caps to melt, raising sea levels and submerging vast coastal areas. Ecosystems would be affected by these changes. Species adapted to cold climates would have to migrate to the new polar regions at the equator, while those accustomed to warm climates would move to the former polar zones. Many species would not survive such a rapid transition, leading to mass extinctions and a loss of biodiversity. Human societies would face unprecedented challenges. Infrastructure in current equatorial regions would not be prepared for extreme cold, while cities in the former polar regions would have to adapt to scorching heat. Agriculture would undergo massive transformations, with a need to develop crops resistant to entirely new climates. Mass migrations would be inevitable, as people seek more favorable living conditions. In summary, a 90-degree rotation of Earth would radically transform our planet, altering the climate, destroying ecosystems, and challenging human survival. This hypothetical scenario highlights the importance of Earth's current balance and invites us to reflect on the fragility of our environment.